In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most effective and the most healthy way of making palm kernel oil for kids' hair, skin and nails. Here we have our palm fruit gotten directly from the palm tree, and I'm going to be extracting the oil from this palm fruit. We'll be using the dried kernel to make our palm kernel oil. So here we have the dried kernel. So you have to let this dry. If not, the palm kernel won't come out from the shell. So here I have this quantity, and I'm about to make about, like, let's say 200 ml. So this is what I have, and the next step is to soak this inside water for about 2 days. So I'm just going to add water enough to cover the top of this kernel, and after soaking it, I will just let it stay for 2 days. This is the best way to prepare this kernel for the oil. Look at what it looks like after 2 days. We already have some oil on top of the water. So today I'm going to be getting all the juice, all the oils from this kernel, and that is exactly what I'm doing right here. After adding it to our dried frying pan, the next thing is to add half cup of water, or just a little water. While this is boiling, we're going to add other ingredients. So I'm adding garlic. This is optional, but because we want this to be really medicinal, I will be adding garlic. And the next thing I'm going to be adding is scent leaf. So scent leaf is also another medicinal leaf, so I'll be adding that to this palm kernel oil. This is so that it can be really medicinal, especially if you're using it to treat kids. If you grew up in the village, or if you have a mom that grew up in the village, you will know that palm kernel oil is something that is used to save kids. So all these convulsion, hot head, just different things, it helps with all those sicknesses, and kids can just take a little drop of this and they will be fine, or you rub it on them. Here we have the water almost dried, and after this water dries out, that is when we will start looking out for the oils to come out. If you don't know, palm kernel oil is one of the healthiest oil you should have around if you are a mom, and is also one of the oils you should add to your skincare, hair care. For the skin, palm oil offers deeper hydration, it protects the skin from environmental damage, and it has potential to relieve skin conditions like eczema and others. It can also improve the skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Right now we're about to start getting the oil from the palm kernel, and you see it's already black, like the whole thing has turned black, and we have our oil coming out. So here you can start sieving out the oil and continue frying until you get all the oil out of the palm seed. Back to the benefits now. For the hair, palm kernel oil offers nourishing benefits. It moisturizes the hair, it helps in strengthening the hair, it also helps in promoting hair growth. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, and it has fatty acid that helps to repair and protect the hair. Additionally, it can help reduce hair loss and breakage. So you see, it has lots of benefits that we cannot deny for the hair.